This is attorney Aaron Grubb with Worth Law Office, and we're going to talk about protective orders and just how to avoid them. So I've been getting a couple of protective orders on my plate recently, and I just thought that I'd come in and make a video about what these protective orders really do and how you should avoid them, and how you can take actions in the moment to basically save yourself the hassle of hiring an attorney and going through the process and testifying. It's a lot. It's a lot to actually get a protective order. So, protective orders, there's two kinds. There's an emergency protective order, and then you can just petition for a protective order. Both will give you protection against the other party. The other party has to give all their firearms to local law enforcement, and it could be a big deal if the other party breaks that protective order and actually comes in contact with you. That can lead to actual criminal charges. However, like I was saying before, it's a big hassle being able to actually get a protective order, and so that includes providing us evidence that we can go through. That means actually going up and having to testify, because you're the primary witness. You're the person who actually we have to use to admit evidence into the record. And so, to avoid all that hassle, a lot of the time, or at least from what I've been recently given, a lot of these protective orders stem from online activity. Whether it's Instagram or Facebook, or even just like text messages. A lot of the time, you can prevent the hassle of a protective order by simply just blocking the other person. You don't actually need to get your point across. You don't actually need to have the last word. You don't have to prove your case to them, because really, they're not going to believe it. And even after the protective order, that they're going around saying, "Oh, that wasn't my fault." So it's very important that we're all realistic about the situations and relationships that we have. Do you really think that this protective order is going to prove a point? Probably not. And it's also going to save you the hassle, the time, and the money by just hitting the block button. So if you have questions about what actually deserves a protective order, or questions about what you should do if you should actually get a protective order, contact us at Worth Law Office. And again, my name is Aaron Grubb. Thank you.